So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to add friends in Among Us. So all you have to do to add friends is have an account here in Among Us. And as you can see here, all you have to do is go to your own account. Or just go to your normal account. And here you will see your account ID where you can send it to friends. So all you have to do is actually just go to friends in the top right corner. And as you can see here, I don't really have any friends yet. So all you have to do is add a friend via code. So to add the friends here, all you have to do is enter their code right here, which is found in the top left of your screen. And just place right there and then send the friend request. And you can also view your request right here in that mode. So all you have to do to add friends is just by entering their friend via code. And there you go. You will have your friends instantly here in Among Us, which is available to play with and just have fun. So that is how you add friends in Among Us. I hope you like this video and see you again next time.